Hello everyone, welcome to another video of JavaScript for LWC series. In this video we are going to see the spread operator, so let's get started. A spread operator is represented by three consecutive dots like this, and it is used to unpack or expand any variables like a string or an array. Apart from this, you can also use it to join two arrays, maybe two objects, and it is also used to create a shallow copy of object or array. Let's start with the string first. So let's say we have a string called this str is equals to noob tech tutor, and how we are going to use this is like we'll use square brackets with three dots and the variable name. So we'll try to console this first and see how it is unpacking this particular value. And when we console it, we'll see that it got unpacked and each of the element got extracted. In this particular case, we can see it as equivalent to the split function, but spread operator can do much more than this. We'll see for array this time. Let's say we have two arrays, which is let arr1 and arr2. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similar to this, we have array2, which is equals to 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now if you want to join both of these, one way is to let's create a new array, and we had to join these, concatenate these, and using spread operator we just have to give three dots variable name and again three dots and the second variable name, and this will be joined like this. So it gave us a new array that is combined of both of these. I'll tell you the how it will be done if we do not add these spread operator signs. Let's say new arr2, and we do not give the spread operator symbol and we directly try to add them. What it will do is it will give us a array, and that array will have two separate arrays. So in this case you can say it combined it as well as it flattened it. So if you want to combine two arrays, you can use this. It can also combine two objects. For example, let's say we have a person object and it holds some values like name, maybe occupation, and we have another object, and this can be for the same person, but it might have different details. Let's say age, which can be equals to, let's say, 24, and zodiac sign, which can be equal to, let's say, Capricorn. Now we want to merge both of these into single object, so we can use spread operator again, and this can be done like this. Let's say let person combined is equals to, and we need person, and similar to this person1, and we'll log this, and I'm commenting this for time being because I don't want to clutter the console. Save it. So you see we got just one object, which is combined of both. But there is one thing that you need to uh, keep this thing in mind. Basically, let's say if we have common keys, and this in here it was written as 23, and now if we try to console this, we see that we are getting 24, although we had 23 in the first one and 24 in the last one. So basically what it does is, the last object that you're taking, if they both have common keys, it will take the key from the last one and its value, and it will assign it. Let's say if I give it 25, it will always be like this. So it will take for the last one, and last one is in this object, and it will give the value as whatever it is given in the last object. If I'll do it like, let me save it. If I console it, I'll get 25. So whatever we have in the last object, it will be like this. And one more thing we can check is how to make a shallow copy of an array or an object. Let's take an array for our case. Let fruits equals to, let's say we have an mango, and we have another array which will make a copy of this. So it will have identical elements, but it will be a copy of this. So if you add something to it, it doesn't get reflects to the next array, unlike we used to do it with the referencing by using var. So let's say first we are creating by reference only. Let's say fruit copy. So it will be direct copy of this is equals to fruits. And the drawback of this is, I'll show you in a while. Let me log this first, and I can remove this. So it gives all the three elements, but what happens if I add something to this fruit dot push, let's say another fruit, and I'm only consoling the copy of this, and this thing got added later on after the copy, but the problem is it is still showing up in here. So this was a problem. In this case, we needed a shallow copy of this. So let's create a shallow copy, and I'll add sh copy for this, and we will make a copy using the spread operator. Now this time, if you see, we are pushing the same thing to the previous, but this time we'll console the shallow copy which we created using spread operator. So we are getting just the three elements which were assigned at this point of time. So if we'll add it prior to this, then only we'll be able to see key added to the list. Otherwise, the moment we created a shallow copy, it will keep the elements will be identical, but they'll not be this will not be referencing the previous array. Rather, it is creating a new shallow copy. So that's all for this video. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.